Well, I'm a happy lad. I've got Falkor back. The indicators stopped working. It turned out to be more than just the relay. There was a whole wiring loom had got corroded in there. Pat Olivieri fixed it for me. Now, trusty mechanic. He's awesome. He really is. Recommend him to anybody in the area. Absolutely. So now I've got to go for a ride, of course. It's my day off. And I got some exciting news to tell you people. There's a group called Honda CB500X Riders Australia, and a guy called Mark Anderson on there. I'm not sure whether it's his group or he's one of the admins or whatever, but he's very active. Seems like a great guy. We set up the first meetup of Australian CB500X owners, and it's going to be on October the 18th this year, Friday through to Sunday, at Alex Beach Caravan Park near Mooloolaba, and I'm going to be leading a ride out of there on the Saturday. So I'll get everybody lost, then we'll find our way back. You know the story. That's going to be brilliant. I'm really excited about this. It'll be really good. I know some of the people who are coming already, and it's going to be really good to meet some other people. I think one guy's coming from WA or something, and he's promised to be the tail end Charlie for the ride. So yeah, if you're interested, if you ride one of these great bikes, or even if you don't and you're interested in it, please come along. It's going to be a really good weekend. I like the way it's shaping up. The organisers have already got a few sponsors on board with some nice prizes. I think that's brilliant. So yeah, please come there if you can. I'll be there, but you should come anyway. And I'm really looking forward to it.